So let me show you how to create access keys. I'm going to click on my user, and as you can see right now on the top right hand side, I am connected using my IAM user on my account. So this is something you have to do. Do not use your root account to create security credentials, okay? So I'm using my IAM user, and I'm going to go and create security credentials. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to create access keys. So access keys are going to be very helpful if we use the CLI, so if we use the command line interface, or if we use the SDK to implement some programming language against AWS. So I'm going to create this access key, and they are very, very secret. This is the only time you will see them and that they can be downloaded. You cannot recover them later, but you can create new ones if you wanted to. So never ever share them before, and I will invalidate mine after this hands-on. So you can download a CSV file if you wanted to keep them on your computer, or you can show the access key ID and the secret access key. Again, these are secrets and they will be worthless for you because I'm going to invalidate them. Then we need to use these secret access key and access forget to add your user back into the group. Otherwise, that would be horrible. So I'm going to go into groups, admins, and I'm going to add my Stefan user back into my group. And now I am an administrator again. So that's it. I will see you in the next lecture.